This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure airplane mode is off and battery saver is disabled because those block Wi-Fi. Restart your phone and the router, power off for about 30 seconds to clear transient faults. While it boots, open settings and check Android version and pending updates. Updates can include wireless fixes. Once done, go to Settings Network and Internet. That leads directly to the Wi-Fi controls you'll adjust next. You now handle the core adjustments. Tap the problem network, choose Forget, then re-add SSID and password to force a fresh connection attempt. If that fails, use Settings System Reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth to remove corrupted configs. This restores DHCP and common defaults. Also inspect the router. Ensure MAC filtering isn't blocking your device and confirm you're using DHCP versus a wrong static IP, because mismatched addresses are a frequent cause. Finish by isolating remaining issues. Boot the phone into safe mode and test Wi-Fi to determine if a third-party app interferes. If Wi-Fi works there, uninstall recent apps. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but back up your data first because it erases everything. One key troubleshooting tip. Try connecting to the router's 5 GHz versus 4 GHz band or vice versa, since hardware or compatibility can prevent certain bands from functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.